Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to check Microsoft Excel version. So very simple and basic way. Click on File. Now here click on Account. Now here guys, you will see Microsoft Office Professional plus 2013. So in my case it's 2013 plus version for this Excel. It can be different which you install like 2010, 16 or latest one. So if you want to check, so just click on File and here click on Account. So you will see here version. And this version will be same for all products like Word, PowerPoint and another one. So thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not.